Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to make appointment slots in Google Calendar for 2025. If you're a busy professional, a teacher, or anyone juggling multiple meetings, this feature is a game changer. It lets you offer specific time slots to others without the back and forth emails. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Google account and open Google Calendar. It's that simple app we all use for scheduling. Once you're in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Now, scroll down to the Appointment Schedules section under the General tab. If you don't see it, don't worry, Google updates features regularly, so ensure your app is up to date for 2025. Next, click on Appointment Schedules and then hit Create to set up a new one. You'll need to give it a name, like Client Consultations or Meeting Slots. Now, here's where the fun begins. Define your availability. Select the days and times you want to offer, such as every Tuesday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. You can even set the duration for each slot, think 30 minutes, 1 hour, or whatever fits your needs. After that, customize it further. Add a description to let people know what the appointment is for, and decide how far in advance bookings can be made. Once you're happy with the settings, save it. Google will generate a shareable link, copy that and send it out via email or embed it on your website. A quick tip. To make it even smoother, integrate this with Google Meet for video calls right in the slot. And if someone books a time that conflicts with your existing events, Google Calendar will automatically block it. Pretty smart, right? There you have it. By now, you should be all set to manage your appointments like a pro in 2025. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.